So today we're gonna do a project. It's called, what's the project? I don't know. Let me see. So this project is about Agile design project for front-end. So Carl just told us a website. It's called spacestyleconcept.com, and we're gonna do a benchmark on this project. So Claudia, here you go.
So far for the project management, we all have Trello, and we have the Nitrous IDE with one box. I think it's because it's mostly like a fixed HTML for the front end. You can use one box, so everybody can actually do part of the front end, but in an own HTML file, like call it whatever you like, your name, something, and we can split up maybe the tasks. Have you seen all the page already?
Yeah.
So there's a loading thing in the beginning, and then you see the menu. It's like a transparent, right? And it is always at the same place. This is maybe one part, and we have animations. Where's the cooler? You better reload it. So this is the most part, and click here to see video. But I have video as well. So maybe you can write down what parts can be done like individually. Maybe one or two people can always do one part for the front end, and maybe for the back end as well. Can maybe divide it. Richard, about the user story. The user story is mainly having a similar site. So you want to have like a loading animation, the animations flying to the screen. It looks really nice.
You can write down together. Let's go to Trello, and then are you talking about user story or task?
Like maybe if you like, you can do the user story first.
Yeah.
This is mostly for, but the user story is mostly for the backend, right? Because of the front end. For the front end, the user story is basically the user sees a page which looks similar to this one.
Yeah.
So front end. Front end. Looks like original. So the back end has more user story probably. Like how can people add pictures or content?
Yeah.
But that's the second part, I guess.
This one is pretty much like not much. You can like probably like some effects. Maybe we can just jump to like what are the tasks that are required to accomplish.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah,
maybe everybody can like say a part.
Yeah.
So which parts? You start, Richard. Say one. What do you think could be one part of the tiny to-do task?
The fading.
Yeah. Like fading of content pictures. Actually, I think the fading of the main picture can be a separate task because it's a little bit different. It goes a little bit smaller and scrolls up.
对，现在是就是说我们要知道说要做什么事情，所以这个要全部讨论。那我现在都在 Share 上面是刚刚看那些网页，我们应该有哪些 task 需要做？能看到吗？你们可以到 Trello 看到。
Yes, you can add more tasks.
You can go on Trello and let's add a task all by ourselves. Like from the website, we see what are the tasks or functions required to accomplish that. So,
I noticed that the website there are 4 sections already fixed on the screen, right?
Yes.
And those 4 sections, I think maybe can try it as a
this and the main thing, right?
Yes. The user CSS property fixed, so
yes.
it's very easy
to
write.
Yeah, but I think it's also a good thing for tasks. One person should write like
the
this.
header top, left, right,
Yeah,
and
one
bottom.
person should, but how do you want to call it? Like skeleton? I don't know. Yes, this could be one. This is definitely one task. And you can add more tasks, guys. On Trello with your computer.
4 section.
Yeah. 4 parts. Layout. Yes.
Oh, another. There is a video. Video
Yeah.
player.
Yes. See on the beginning. No, even more.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Yeah, I really like it. Full screen and in the background.
Oh, already right.
Yes. Actually, one person can maybe find some pictures we can use. There are a lot of like CC, Creative Commons. Yeah. Find CC, Creative Commons pics. Could be on Flickr or somewhere else, right? So it looks nice in the end. And it's still not stolen.
Sure. Okay, let's
So what else?
So we can collect.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I think we can collect somebody's email.
Yes, like a
contact us or
yes. Actually, I would make a new. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. We have to do this for front end and back end, right? But let's start with the front end, like contact form. Can be only the email address or the contact, as you said.
yeah.
So we already have the information. Also, we have this menu with even with animation, like
CSS 的动效，比如说
our navigation.
背景的效果。
On the right side, I think this is a share button, right?
可以就是
Yes, share buttons. Yes.
然后你看哪个部分可以做的。
Smaller the task, the better it is. Actually, someone can have a look at the fonts. Because they really look nice. Yeah, and I think, yeah.
因为它其实也没有太多那个，就算是
Just a picture.
Yeah, I just wondered if it's a slider, but it's not.
Oh.
So yeah, there's a video as well. Yeah, maybe we start with the other stuff. Small animations, but maybe we keep it for later. This.
为什么选这个？哦，没有，就刚好有介绍。
We have like a full screen, picture full screen.
Good.
Oh, with sharing again.
Yeah, probably just focusing on the front first.
Yeah, you're right. It's already different page, so yeah. There's like a loading animation. Should have one as well.
Yeah.
Maybe we can make a page like the instruction of Agile code camp, or
Yeah, like for the content, yes. So content.
so when we scroll down and we see the co-working space we are using, that image, and
Yeah. control. Yeah. Yeah. So this fading animation is probably like fading and moving here, but we have this at the first part. So do you think we can do every single pass in a single different HTML file, or is it not possible? It's all something's connected. Yeah, I think it's okay with the tasks. So for now, for the front end, and maybe we can talk about the back end in, I don't know, 1 hour or 1.5.
Sure. Yeah.
Right.
We can try the front end first and see who can take which on.
Yeah.
And try the front end first, and then we can, if we have time, then
yeah.
do the back end.
Right. So I don't know. Do you like always to work like 2 people on it, or 1, or 2 people can they? Yeah, you can maybe choose if you want to work alone or with someone.
Yeah, maybe pairing or they can do it together.
Yeah, and the idea is if someone has problems, everybody can help.
Yeah,
Sure. So yeah, just maybe choose what your interest is.
可以自己选，然后有问题可以 pairing 没关系，反正随时都可以问嘛，就是可以刷来看。哪一问觉得可以这样做？
Ah, there's one more, putting things together.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really important. Yeah. Sometimes everybody develops, and in the end, it's not working together like the APIs. We had this in a hackathon, like a front end team and the back end team. We talked to each other, but somehow we understood it differently, and in the end, it wouldn't work. Yeah, the variables were wrong and the names.
Okay.
So yeah. So how do we do it? Like maybe you write as a comment if the task you want to do, and then we see what's left over.
可以大家自己来看，是想要先做哪个部分？
So I think the priority, the first priority need to do is because we use the framework meteor, right? So we need to write the template first, then we can share work for each other.
Ah yes, but this we can do all in static HTML first because it's front end, so it's like parallel working. Everybody can start right away, but you're right. Maybe the back end, someone should already get like a Meteor project running for the background, like start Meteor, because it always takes some time.
We need one guy to write the template structure first.
What if
To separate the file.
Ah, yeah, but I think it's really good if everybody uses like a clean, clean HTML file. And of course, if someone already used like jQuery or other libraries, you just copy their codes. Because we work in one box, you can just take their code. But maybe okay. Or maybe we make HTML master file to include all the libraries, right? So what do you? So what do you like? You like Bootstrap? Yes, no? Ah, but probably we won't need it. We definitely need jQuery for the animations.
Yeah.
Like
jQuery UI. Yeah.
Yes. Do you think with jQuery UI we can do the first animation I show you? On this? But this one.
Yeah.
Do you think it's fine? Do we need anything else than jQuery UI or?
jQuery UI.
Yeah.
大家一起变通。
I wonder if you need some more like add-on of like for jQuery UI for the animation. And who has used jQuery UI? I use it, but I've never used the like if it's on screen. You see, it's like waiting. The animation is waiting until it's like visible. So we have to, but it's only one chart. So yeah.
You are never.
No problem, no problem. So do you
你们
really?
现在如果已经在里面，可以先 assign task，看说谁要做哪个 task，assign task to yourself， like see who.
Yeah. Ah, yes, right. Ah, right. If you use this assign, where is it?
Yeah, assign member. Just
Add members. Yeah.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
we want to putting things together.
Yeah.
We can already start with a chat.
Yeah.
Hello.
You guys go assign for
Yourself.
assign it to yourself.
Yeah. I just assign you. So the idea is like we have a lot of peer programming. So if you haven't used it so far, we can work like in two people on one computer. So you can use it.
I want to do a contact form.
Yeah. Right.
And let's see. D. No.
D was there's so many D's, right?
Yeah. Yeah. This one.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yes.
Okay.
因为是 edit 在同一个 HTML。
Ah, nice. I see. It's really nice with Trello. You see what?
CC picture？
啊？
就是那个 CC 授权，对那
是
个
可以
就是就是一种授权的模式，然后你可以拿来做商业。
Ah, yeah. Creative Commons. It's a license, so we can use the pictures and it's not illegal, and it's okay if we upload them on GitHub, for example, because like all these nitrous boxes are public.
应该叫创用授权。创用授权。
没有拿走，现在考虑到
对，你可以直接打 CC 或者打创用授权发上。
So okay, fading of content picture.
Yeah, maybe just give it a few minutes.
哎，你们先退 task， 先退 task，
可以啊，
先退 task。
知道这个。
来，大家先一起先，就是我们先退 task， 就是现在 task 上面 to do task 还有很多嘛，我们还有很多，大家先随便
先
散
讲先赢，
随便散，
先赢。
对，
赶快把男的丢给
对，
这个good job。
可以散给别人，
找图片好了，
对
现在只会找图片。
可以散给别人，没关系。同学有没有什么东西可以觉得还可以做？
前端有做，知道吗？
不行的话没关系，就一样，你就好，那你就跟他们配合，你就看他们一起做。
我应该做不到。
他们现在这个主题是要用 Agile Code， 你有加入那个社团？
有。
对啊，不然你可以把上面，因为它是要做这个，因为是主题，主题是要做 Agile Code， 你可以去社群里面把图片涂下一下。
哦
，Agile Code 就
里
是
面的社群的
对一些你觉得要放在这个那个处置不是就是讨论区
讨论区而已，讨论区就可能说，
就是 Meteor， 还有一个你可以把它下架，
随便找一些
社团
对，
是，
你跟你说要找图片，因为做的对。
你要跟我一起。
哦，没有，你那不是社团，没有大社团。
你要把这个。
Yes.
OK。
那 HTML 的评价谁做？
阿包，你说评价怎么样？
直接加吧，直接加。
上面有吗？
有吧，我有加。
你有加吗？
我做了一个基本的，这边没有很多。
没有评价，不知道怎么说。
那就直接加了。
加上去啊。
就是很脏，我最后再整理，因为反正才一页而已。对，一页不会，
You have the fixed
图也不会太多。
CSS, right? And then you have this index set, right? To layers, like what is in the front and what is in the back. It's really nice.
Make sure to enable collab and nitrous.
两个 OK 啊，反正就是大对。
Nitrous, press, workspace, and index
HTML.
index HTML.
No, but
And you collaborate. And
yeah,
so
no, but can't you like I want to have the whole folder collab mount. Isn't it possible?
Or you want to create a
Like
folder?
one
没有，所以
kind of.
做这个。
I thought about like one file per task. So in the end, we put it together. But so everyone can develop, and if it's like bugs and it's breaking, it doesn't matter. It's no problem for the others. Because if everybody is testing on one HTML file at the same time, you never know, is it your problem, your error, or someone else's?
So you mean one test, one folder,
One file.
one
Like,
file,
yeah.
one text, one file.
That's all. But you can't create. Can you create a new file in
Everyone.
the box? Is it possible? Like from the access, can you click on new and file?
New file.
oh yeah, and I've
You can turn it around.
workspace. Oh, so that can I delete these two files?
Yeah, sure.
Sure, sure.
So maybe you can just create a new file.
Okay.
But
So
maybe with the task name or something like this.
I'll
我可以拿椅子过来坐。
I'll create multiple folders there, and
Or can you use a different name? Because index others might think, they added index, I added it too, right? So can you create a different I don't know, layout .html or something like this?
But okay, so when you enter this and you type index index.html.
Yeah, I can.
不够，再考虑一点，应该没有完整。
So in the work,
现在是
can you try to create a file in the workspace folder?
你在那边可以开 file。
Just I don't know if it's working, or if the box is. I will close this.
I'm lagging.
Okay.
Do this is with developer on website or environment and commit code.
But this is very, it would be really professional if you do it. But with this committing of code, like for GitHub and stuff, it always takes a little bit longer. We just use one box, it's there instantly because you have only 3 hours. If you would do it like for several days, I would also think GitHub would be the best solution and committing the code. Like backup is safe, right? I think for now, because it's really not much time. And if you try to install,
不用给他们，直接在 code 里面开点。就是哪个我忘了，
but I will end the
可以开吗？可以开 file 吗？
stop.
连不上去。
没有网络吗？
网络，你是网络？
哇，我一直塞住。
你是用1楼的吗？ You want to open file or
Now I want to see if someone created a file, but nobody created a file so far. Here in the workspace.
so what do they do?
So I wonder, can you? I'm
can
not
create
sure.
a file.
I mean,
You can create a
I
file.
can create a file,
Yeah,
but I'm not
we can-
sure
we
if
can-
you have the access rights.
那手里面可以开 file 吗？看一下。
Yeah.
看一下，
Actually, we can.
Yeah, you can.
I tested it before.
看一下。
Ah, okay, good.
你可以看到吗？
Ah, these are yours.
你不是拿
And
他说我看要。
when someone
Refresh.
created a file and you're going to press this to
Yeah,
refresh
yeah,
it.
yes. Ah, the temp folder.
Who created temp folder? Who created temp?
No, that's good. So
Someone
everybody can.
created, right? 哦，temp 是你 create 的吗？temp 是谁 create 的？
Yeah, probably someone.
好，看看你可以 create folder 来。
Ah, there.
That's original.
Yeah, right. So, file.
你可以上去吗？
No.
我们可以用 HTML 试一下。
可以啊，可以。亮，你要上面要讲啊，他们会吗？现在会吗？
就是用 HTML 写很快，比较手。
HTML5, she was saying like using HTML5. Can she do that or?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, well,
Sure.
the rest of the guys couldn't do it. Does it matter?
Yeah, it depends. Like we use like mostly like JavaScript. Like of course we use a lot of jQuery,
Yeah.
which is HTML and HTML5.
Now I try something more new.
Yeah, so which one do you like to use?
HTML5. HTML5.
Like everything in HTML5 or just like some animations or?
I'm not just use the thing. I will learn more.
Ah, yeah.
HTML5
Ah, yeah.
because it's very too much API to need to learn.
Ah, yes. I know a nice
So I
website.
now just use the tags.
Ah. Do you know this one? HTML5 Rocks. It's like just a website
Community.
to show you what they can do. And I like the tutorials.
So we think we can use HTML5 this time
Let me
to
see.
practice. But we can just
I mean, part is already
What
HTML5, right? I think the transparency is like CSS3, which is like part of HTML5. Like here, that is like you can see through it. And this is, I guess, HTML5. I think you didn't have this before. With the video, I'm not sure if it's Flash, but I think it's probably not, right?
HTML5.
This is also like part of the video. It's also like used like HTML5 because it's not in this Flash. We don't need a Flash player anymore. So
this web.
yeah. So there are some parts which are HTML5 already. Yes. For example, the video. It's probably like only it's looking for it. The lines.
Yeah, a video tag here.
Ah, that's really nice. Yeah, so the video is actually very simply done. Like the most part. So they use this HTML5 tag. So you don't need plugins. So to work on every tablet, phone, computer with modern browsers.
什么？他说什么？
那它这就是 HTML5，
哦，
就是 tag，你只要有一个 video 或 audio tag，以前没有的。我知道是这样。
So we create and we build this with protest. We maybe use HTML5.
Yeah, I think bits and like parts will be HTML5, right? Like the video and the transparency and maybe the fonts. Maybe I'm not sure when they invented that you can use fonts which are not on the computer locally, but they're retrieved from the internet. It's also kind of a
web film.
like web fonts, yes. Maybe they are already HTML5 too. I'm not sure. It's not that old as well. So yeah, the idea is like it's all HTML, but some things are especially from this HTML5.
OK，
但是宣告还是要用。
So maybe you want to. So
你用 tag
但是宣告还是要用。
你是说最上面那个？
如果有对啊，
没差吧？就用
都两个。
宣告可以用 HTML5，但是下面也可以写，就是旧的，对吧？因为我怕没有宣告。
其实旧的应该都可以啊。你现在学。
if you like something HTML5,
说它是一个按照
then you can choose the video if it's not taken already. Embed video. It's HTML5. It's not that difficult. It's not just lines of code. So you can do this part because this is like really, yeah, one of the most modern parts of HTML5.
不过有一些
Just put your name in Trello.
在哪里？这里吗？Already done. Now it's already done. Yeah.
有一些
还有什么？ Just this one? What else? Which else? Video and what else? You just mentioned something else, right? Video and the other one.
Okay, so the
The other one. What's the other one?
the layout is already taken care of.
Who is taking care of layout?
Yes.
Okay. And so she's only taking this.
First steps. Let me see. What was the other thing? With the fonts.
Also, it's HTML5.
It's also, I think,
Okay.
so.
Okay. Just
Like web fonts.
Yeah. 来看这是什么部分？
什么东西啊？
About okay. So loading animation, who's doing them?
Oh, let's actually the first two are really important.
Yeah.
Like the sharing, you can
你
use
说那 fading 是说会
the
动的，
fading.
Yeah.
或者 fading？
You're good with Jaker UI anyway, right?
Okay. Yeah. So 你可以做前面两个吧，fading。
可是我已经填一个了。
你要先填哪一个？这个 create for part。
Yeah.
这 which 哪一个先？哪一个会先？
哪一个会这个
顺
会
序最后先吗？
对对。
好，那你先做这个，这个
应该是吧
再看
我觉得。
So this one comes first, right?
No, but the idea is everybody can work at the same time.
Yeah,
So
sure.
it's all bits and parts. But yeah, this one is really crucial. But the animation, I think it's crucial as well because this makes the whole site nice.
Yes. This first, and then he's still gonna do
Yes.
these two. Okay.
And
所以这个做完再做这个嘛。
already-
This one first and these two, right?
Maybe I can already add
Because-
later, right?
Yeah.
Because
Yes. Go ahead.
4 parts layouts are static. Yeah.
Yes, static. This one. 你说什么 static？这个 This is static. Yeah. So you're gonna do this 4 parts layout first, and then the jQuery part.
So this is the bar here.
Yeah.
Is L. Yeah.
Yeah. You will be able to do this first.
Yeah.
Go for it,
No,
man.
no,
Yeah,
that's
not this
not
one?
too many. No,
Okay.
2 is already
Okay,
fine.
2 is already okay.
Because
This
it's
is 2.
similar,
Yeah.
but maybe it's a little
Okay,
bit
go
different.
for it. Yeah.
Actually,
Cool.
so this is good. This is good.
哎，我
Okay,
想
so
你做到哪里了 ？OK 吗？
so let's see the loading animation.
我透明的。你知道透明的。
你有晒给自己了吗？啊，你有晒给自己是不是？啊，OK，
Okay, complex form. But then, yeah, because things, what we didn't do at the task, what we maybe should have done after listing the task, figure out which is like really important, which is like has to be done, and which, for example, the fonts, they're nice to have, but you could do them like same as goes for the share
essential,
right?
Essential.
But and it's also like opinionated, like the creating, you don't need animations, right? But without animations, it's not looking like the original one.
More essential one first.
So we have this. So this is okay that this is not taken yet. Putting it together and then yes. So what do you like? I would think finding pictures maybe.
He already found it.
Ah, that's
I'll
good.
do it.
So, but one question.
Okay, I'll go for it.
I have a question. Do we find pictures like the clothing, or do we use pictures for this Agile code camp?
我们现在是 pictures for Agile code camp or 是什么？大家想要怎么样的处理？
网站内容。
就是风格，我们是想要怎么样处理？
你之前的图是
Agile code camp 的处理。所以我们是找 Agile code camp 的相关的图片。Okay, that's fine. We will try Agile code camp. So the content picture, we will use our Agile code camp picture, right?
Okay. Can we upload? Like, is there an upload button? Yes, probably, right?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Upload?
Yes.
I think maybe. Oh yeah. No. New photos.
Yeah, G.
Upload. File.
Ah, good. Because I think Kodio was lacking of this feature.
Really?
I was not sure. I didn't see it.
I know you can drag and drop.
Ah.
Yeah. So, okay. So, okay, sure. We will find. Where's the where's the chart for there? This one. Oh, it's right now. So we'll find a picture. What's the picture for?
No, the idea is the pictures are instead of those.
Yeah, sorry. Let me assign. So you mean this one?
Yeah.
那个你想要玩哪个
？Content form 是哪
？Content form 他拿去了。那你可以跟他一起配合，你可以跟他玩，一起玩没关系。好啊。他现在在玩，他现在进行，不然你等一下就是过去跟他啊？你吗？你现在做什么吗
I will walk around.
你做什么？
没有，因为我连不上 Nitrous。
连不上 Nitrous，那你用我这台好。你用我这台，你连不上，为什么？你可以连上吗？那你连上了吗？你也不能。
我也不行，对。打连线，开做还要。
你们可以连上，你们连不上，我们连上了。连不上是你点看看。
他们是什么点？后面的这个是
这个是点，
这个点。
后呢是什么？然后就是放在其他网站点看吗？对，点看网站，
这是一个点。
Nitrous 不行，
我改。
是 Nitrous 官网没档吗？官网之类的。
是，你那时候是光光人数，他目前就是最多地方，我们有随时快拼起来。所以刚改的是这个。
可是他这其实还在。
那现在怎么办？
我看你就痛苦吧。
数字多少都知道。
Yeah, well, then we have to develop locally, right? Because it's static HTML file, and you can upload it somewhere else. Do they have local? Can they do it locally? Yeah, they can do it. Okay.
反正长这样。
好。哎。现在就本期开发啊，本期写，本写啊，这是当然。
那个网站现在
好大。
大家都上去，
对，其他都上去。
应该是在 HTML 的里面，它就
可以考虑
这一层。
因为这高度来说。
我现在最近还在看，但 这是一个按钮吗？这不是按钮，
这是
我刚看它叫 logo，
还有 A tag，
它是一个 A tag，
对，然后里面包一个 image，所以它就是一个 image，所以点下去它就
这是一个 A tag。哦，这是它网址。
所以你点下去就点到啊，
这个谁给谁看？这个是个 JavaScript。
但是